That's a litter box.
Yeah, I see. That's all right. It makes the flowers grow.
Yep. Here we have a 55-gallon drum here that we put water in.
Yeah.
And we use it to water our plants. My dad's got to get used to the camera when it's filming and not filming. So, but that's okay. He's allowed. He's 90. But right here is where we have the downspout that goes into here, and so all the rainwater comes off the coop here and down into here, and then we also pump water from the pond in here. So I'm going to show you, this is my setup here for my broiler house. As you see, we have a big tarp that comes down through here, and that it gives them plenty of shade. And then we have deer netting over top of this. That way no predators from above can get in. And down here we have chicken wire, so that way no smaller, I'm sure a weasel could get in, but they're usually in at night. But this keeps the baby chicks from coming out. This is the back of the coop. Again, I have a tarp that goes down, so they have shelter from the sun, and usually a cool breeze comes through that way. And again, with the deer netting on top here. I have a baby gate that goes across because I don't want the baby chicks, they're only 3 weeks old, to go out into the entire yard yet. So I put up this baby gate here for now. Oh my gosh. I think somebody needs rescued. Here we go. It's okay, it's okay, it's okay. There you go, this way. There. Well, now we know how to put the bricks the other way, huh? So what are these, 4-foot gates? Long?
Yeah.
Okay. So we're making 2 4-foot gates.
One's actually a little bit shorter.
That's right. And then we'll fill this spot in.
Just in case people can measure through the camera, I want to make sure the one is short.
Is that what it is?
Like Kenny.
That's my son. Him and our Amish neighbor. They're carpenters, so they kind of see all of our non-carpeting experience, huh?
Yeah.
Mistakes. All right, let's see if it works. Oh my, looky there. It even swings. I laid down the sweet pea that organic compost fertilizer. Just need a little bit of it. And because it hasn't rained in almost 2 weeks, our grass is dying, and I usually use grass clippings for, after I plant my plants, I'll put grass clippings on because it's a moisture barrier, and also it helps with the weeds. And since I'm not going to be having much grass because there's going to be no rain here in the next couple of weeks, I'm going to go ahead and use my chicken compost with the straw that I usually use in the fall, but it's been decomposed long enough where I can still use it, so it could do the same purpose. And what I'll do tomorrow, when my granddaughter comes, she's going to help me plant. And what you do, spread this all out like this. Dig your hole, put your plant in it, put it back. Like I said, this will retain water, moisture in the ground, and keep it for these days we don't get much rain. Test. See if they work. Put this board up, that way the rabbits can't go underneath the gate here. Me and my husband are not carpenters. He's a mechanic, I'm a gardener, and a seamstress. So any of you guys out there who are carpenters and you see mistakes, please leave it in the comments what we could do better and not making fun of us. Right? Okay, we're gonna, now that we get all that fencing done, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna clean out the waters and stuff for the chickens. So I use my wheelbarrow as a sink. Guys, I'm graduating them to bigger feeders, so that way I'm not feeding them and watering them 4 times a day. Guys, all right. go. Alright, hey guys, these should be good. I should only have to do this twice a day, once in the morning and once in the evening before night. So they can stay cool in the grass. Alright guys. They go inside too and stay cool. I got all the windows open in there for them. Right here is where I will be planting my watermelon and my cantaloupe. So that last fall I threw in leaves about this thick. So this is what little bit of grass that we're going to clean out of here. All right, ready, Toby?
Yeah.
Look at his foot sticking out. A little relaxed there, aren't you? Well, I'm gonna mow this strip here, down through here. Okay, the last task that I guess we need to do would be to get all these babies and put them away for the night, all 53 of them. This is their second day out, and basically what we have to do is train them to go in at night. Chances are we will probably about, 40 of them, pick them up and put them in, but eventually they'll get the hint. Well, this ends the day. It is 9:30 and I have another big day tomorrow. I got my granddaughter coming over tomorrow. We have about 100 plants like peppers and tomatoes and all that to put in the ground. So anyways, I seen the moon. It's a full moon out tonight. It's beautiful. It's quiet. The frogs and the toads are in the pond croaking, but they quit now that I start talking. So anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good night.